You are watching a video made for sharpresources.com, the website which brings you design and technology resources for pupils and teachers alike. We specialise in PowerPoint presentations, tutorial videos, interactive flash videos, as well as custom resources. Enjoy the video.
Our third type of pictorial drawing is oblique. Oblique is not a well-used drawing, but it is useful for showing certain types of information. Here are some examples of oblique drawings. As you can see, oblique drawings show a circle on the front elevation as being a true circle, and this is shown in a few of these different views, which is one of the advantages of using oblique. Oblique has a few unusual rules which need to be looked at, which specifically separates it from other technically accurate pictorial drawings. We will use this example to take a look at the different rules involved in oblique, and straight away you should be able to see that the front elevation view is drawn to the correct size, orientation and scale. So this is our first rule. Front elevation is drawn using correct sizes and orientation. What this means is, as with the planimetric on plan, the front elevation circles are drawn as correct circles and can use a compass. Remember, in isometric we don't have this. There's no view that is drawn correct to size and scale, therefore there is no circles that can be drawn as circles, they're all drawn as ellipses. So that's one of the features of an oblique drawing. The second rule is that all depth lines are taken back at 45 degrees, or indeed forward. Because remember, as we've drawn the front elevation as correct sizes, there could be things protruding from the front rather than just going back, and so we have to remember that as well. As we can see, at 45 degrees the centre line has also been taken back to recreate the circle in the back view, which of course can still be drawn with a compass. Rule 3 is to do with the size that the distance goes back. For cabinet style oblique drawings, which is what we will most often use, all depths are halved. This is because oblique causes a certain distortion of view if foreshortening isn't used, and that is, if we half the size going back, objects look a lot more reasonable in comparison to the original object than if we keep the original size. Now, this is not the case when drawing cavalier drawings, as their depths are drawn to actual size. So, just to recap on that, if this was actual size here, the full of those two dimensions, cabinet drawing size, as is shown in this drawing, would be this size here, and then cavalier size would be the full size. Again, cabinet size drawing is the one that we will use most often.
If you've enjoyed this video, why not check out the others available at sharpresources.com.